All right, before we dive into the ins and outs of your baby's naps, it's important to understand your baby's schedule. Think of it like this: 12 hours of sunshine, 12 hours of moonlight. This approach works wonders, especially if you've got an early bird on your hands. Why a 12-hour schedule? Well, this encourages a more consistent nap schedule right from the beginning, which makes the road to getting naps consistent a lot smoother. So, when the sun starts peeking through, that's our cue to kickstart the day. No more nighttime feeds. It's time to get dressed and ready for action. And when it comes to breakfast, bright rooms are where it's at. To really make it official, whisk your baby out of the bedroom and into the main area of the home where all the action is during day, like the living room or the kitchen. Whether it's the living room or the kitchen, make sure it's bright and cheery to let them know. Good morning, world.
Now, in our course, we've attached specific schedules by age to this lesson so that you will be able to download and use that helpful guide to create a consistent daytime routine for your little one. Again, if you are going to be purchasing our course, the link is in the description, and you'll be able to take out the guesswork from trying to figure out wake windows, nap times, feeding times, etc.
It takes the guesswork out of trying to figure out wake windows, nap times, feeding times, etc., and will make your life so much easier. Now, let's chat the actual nap training process. As your little one grows out of that adorable newborn stage, you might notice some big changes in their nap routine. Short naps, anyone? Yeah, they're totally normal, even when you're doing everything by the book. Here's the deal. Around 5 or 6 months, your baby might start connecting those sleep cycles like a champ. But until then, don't sweat it if they're clocking out after just 30 minutes. It's all about development, folks. Now here's the kicker. Even if your mini-me is a pro at snoozing through the night, naps can be a whole different ballgame. Trust me, been there, done that with my own kiddo. Short naps for days, even after sleep training? Yep, it happens. So what's the game plan? Do keep an eye on those wake windows and your baby's sleepy signals to avoid nap time meltdowns. During those tricky transition periods, adjust nap times to match your baby's changing needs. Flexibility is key. And when it comes to choosing between a catnap and a late bedtime or an early bedtime, go for the early lights out around 6 or 6:30 p.m. Your future self will thank you. Now for the don'ts. Don't feed your little one in their sleep spot when they wake up from a nap. Take them to a bright new room for their munchies. Avoid feeding your baby right before nap time. Stick to the tried and true eat, play, sleep routine for smoother sailing. And last but not least, resist the urge to put your baby down all drowsy. It's all about helping them learn to snooze solo. The guide attached to this lesson will provide you with everything you need to do, but remember, naps are one of the toughest things to get down. If you're feeling the burnout, there's no shame in shaking things up. Cue the stroller or car seat for nap time round 2, or give yourself a break and focus on mastering bedtime and that first nap of the day. Be patient with your baby and with yourself, and just know that by being consistent, you both will get there.
Now, if you're looking for a proprietary way to get your baby's naps down pat, we have a step-by-step guide that's included in our Baby Snooze program. Go ahead, check out the description of this video, and you're going to see a link down there. Once you click the link, it'll lead you right to the program where we provide detailed step-by-step instructions as to how to get your baby past this nap situation and get them snoozing right through the day.